Welcome back. All today's topic is how to break bad habits. Quote. Breaking bad habits may seem like a tough challenge, but guess what? You can do it. The journey starts with the simple act of acknowledging your habit. Don't shy away from it. Recognize what's holding you back. Whether it's procrastination, unhealthy eating, or smoking, accepting it is the first step toward change. Now, think deeper. What sparks the habit? What's the trigger? Is it stress, boredom, or a feeling of being overwhelmed? Once you identify that trigger, you're no longer a slave to the habit. Instead of reaching for that candy bar when you're stressed, you could try going for a brisk walk or grabbing a healthy snack. When you identify your triggers, you empower yourself to make a different choice. But here's a game changer. Don't just try to stop the bad habit, replace it. Instead of focusing on what you're trying to avoid, think about the new habit you're building. For example, instead of scrolling mindlessly on your phone, replace that time with reading or learning something new. It's all about swapping the old for the new and better. Starting small is key. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are new habits. It's easy to get overwhelmed by the thought of changing everything at once. Focus on making small changes. Want to stop procrastinating? Start by working for just 10 minutes, then gradually increase it. Little wins lead to big results. Your environment is a game changer too. The people and things around you have a huge influence. If you want to break a bad habit, surround yourself with things that support the new habit. If you're trying to stop junk food, fill your kitchen with healthier options. Make it easier for yourself by creating a space that encourages success. Now, here's a tip you can't skip: accountability. Tell someone you trust about your goal. When you share your challenge, you're not in it alone. Having someone check in on you can give you that extra push to keep going, especially when you're tempted to slip. And here's the most important part. Don't beat yourself up when you slip. It happens. The key is to get back on track and keep going. Learn from the mistake, and use it as fuel to keep pushing forward. Progress is a journey, not a straight line. Finally, celebrate your progress. Every step, no matter how small, is a victory. When you celebrate your wins, you build momentum to keep moving forward. Over time, those small changes will compound, and you'll look back amazed at how far you've come. Breaking bad habits is all about mindset. You have the power to change. You just have to believe in yourself and take action. It won't happen overnight, but with patience and determination, you'll see the results. So, are you ready to let go of your old habits and create the life you deserve? Your future self will thank you for it. If this inspired you, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe for more motivational content. Your journey to change starts now. Let's make it happen together.